Here we go. Ooh. Aha. And there we go. Alright, so I don't know how to do an intro, but we're flying the, what is it, the sub 2, actually probably not sub 250 with this battery, but the Grinderino 5-inch. Let's see how it flies.
Think about me one more time before you go. Someday you'll know. Someday you'll know. Already know what I'm going to say. I've been feeling this way for far too long. And now you're gone.
Alright, here we go. Yeah, I'm gonna pack up my gear and go to a different spot. And yeah, I'll park with like a bench or something like that. But yeah, here we go.
It's been a long time coming.